Hi guys, Mia from Mia's World, and welcome back. First off, I want to say thank you to everyone for all of the love that you guys have showed me, and thank you everybody for all the wonderful birthday wishes that I have received, the text messages, the emails,
The gifts.
the gifts, the serenading for my beautiful husband this morning, along with the crew at breakfast, the telephone calls, all the reaching out on social media. Thank you, and thank you all. You all have made my 54th day around the sun a beautiful day, and it is only 1:45 here in Labadee, Haiti. So we still have plenty of time to turn up, turn up, turn up. And that is exactly what we will be doing for the remainder of the day, clean into the evening and well on into the night.